WeWork is a company that offers shared spaces for its members, and we are here to make that experience much better than it is. When I decided to hire Benjamin, I met him in San Francisco, and long story short, persuaded him to join us. I knew that our team is based here in New York and that he's not. I wanted all my team to be here. But he is that great that I couldn't care less if he's on the moon, but on my team.
The user experience team is based in WeWork's headquarters in Chelsea, and I'm in Denver, Colorado. So I use the double to connect with the team from here.
So far, we love the robot. It does everything we can't do. It allows the remote person to be present at all times. It allows them to chime in as if they're eavesdropping to the desk to the left of you.
If it's a Google Hangout, I have to rely on somebody on the other end of the line to accept the Hangout or to initiate it. With the double, I can kind of just pop into the office when it makes sense for me, and I can roll up to somebody's shoulder and say, hey, I need some feedback on this.
The fact that he can actually move and move to places where a laptop can't move, that's huge. He can, stand behind my shoulders and see what I see. He can see people walking by as we talk. I think that's a big difference. And with a laptop, with a Hangout, Skype, or whatever, it's not like that. It can never be.
Using the double is really great compared to email or even a Google Hangout, because a lot of the work that we do, it lives on the walls within our space. So we have Post-its up and we have whiteboards that are covered in diagrams. With the double, I can easily just look at things like I would if I were in the room.
We just got the wide angle camera, and I think that's huge for him because he can see the room, all the people in the room.
With the new view, it just feels more like a natural perspective that I would get being there. So I have view almost 180 degrees, and so I can see the focus of the conversation and what's being presented, but I can also observe other people's reactions to who's speaking.
Not only does it help him make him feel like he's part of the team, but feels like he's part of the company, which on a global scale, that's really important. Yeah, it's a great start for companies to start accepting and hiring remote workers.